The conduct audit work item is directly started for Max. Max opens this work item and completes it as soon as possible. Hi, my name is Andreas Hense and this video is part of a series on resource patterns in YAWL. Today we talk about commencement on creation. The ability for a resource to commence execution on a work item as soon as it is created. You can see the behavior in the following flash animation. Okay, so commencement on creation. The flash animation here, we have a task conduct audit, and we have one participant here called Max. And if we start the animation, we can see that now this is allocated to Max. This work item is allocated to Max. And now it says the work item goes directly to executing, bypassing the allocation process. So we can find it here as executing, and then Max can complete the work item here. In YAWL, we can implement this by starting a work item directly for a particular user or a role, and then let the system start it directly. Here in the screenshot of the YAWL editor, you can see it is directly offered to Max, then allocated and started in one step. So we have the admin window open here on the left, on the top. At the bottom there is the YAWL editor with the YAWL specification and the workflow with a single task called conduct audit. And on the right we have the participant Max, who is logged in. And so what we can do here is, as the administrator, if we go to case management, we can start a case. Now this is case ID 4. And if we look at the admin work list, we can see there is a work item, conduct audit, for this task. And if we move the scroll bar over here, we can see that this is started for Max. And if we refresh the work list of Max, we can see that this work item is already started. And then we can edit the work item, fill in the fields, and then complete it. You can see that this pattern has a direct implementation in YAWL. The YAWL specification that I've used here is in the supplementary material. I'll put a link to this in the description below. Thank you for watching.